Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abhavya. Today we are going to create a front-end React app which will serve as a front-end to perform CRUD operations on MongoDB. I already uploaded a video for the backend of this application using Node.js. You can find the link in the details section. So let's start with the application. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and like and share my video. This is the backend of the application which I created using Node.js to perform the CRUD operations on MongoDB. Now we are going to create the front end using React. So just let me drag and drop and open it in VS Code. The command to create a React application is npx create React app, and I will give a simple name as front end. Okay. So this is my React application. I will just move into this folder cd frontend. Okay, and if you see ls, all the files and folders are here, and some packages which I need for this application is Axios. So npm I Axios will help install. Okay, that is done. Now what we see, all the folders are there. I will do npm start to start my React application. Let's check out that application. So this is the React application which I just created. Now I don't want all of these things, so I'm going to just go and delete everything from here. Just write hello Abhavya. Okay, and I don't want any of the CSS which was present, so index.css I'm going to delete and save it, and there is app.css I'm going to delete and save it. Okay, so this will be a very simple application. This is to create blogs. Okay, so first part of the application will have the creation of the blog form. Then the second part will be having updation of the blog form, and then the third part is displaying all the blogs. So what we are going to do is create a new blog, delete a blog, update the existing blog, and view all the blogs which are already there. So it will not be according to a very beautiful CSS or very beautiful front end. This is just to perform the basic steps which are needed to do the connection between the front end and back end, to call the APIs and to perform these CRUD operations. Okay, so let's start with this one. We will create a basic form for creating the blog. So our application is having three parts, as I said, so I will just differentiate them. Okay, one is create the blog. Okay, second part will be update the blog. Okay, and third part will be displaying all the blogs. Okay, so I'm going to use Bootstrap so that with less amount of work it looks beautiful. So what you need to use, what you need to do to use Bootstrap is go to Bootstrap, this area, you can select the form, but before you can start working with Bootstrap, do one thing, go to the introduction area, and here you will get one link line, this one. Go and copy that in the index.js section of the whole of this line. I've already copied in the public index.html. If you see, it is present here. Okay, just copy and paste this line. The second thing is go to the form area. Okay, you will get the basic layout of the forms, whatever kind of forms you want. So I will be taking the first one. I will change the email and password to title, subtitle, and one more text area I will be adding, which will be like for the body of the blog. Okay, and I will remove this check me out and have a create a blog button instead of submit. Okay, so just copy the paste from here. Okay, and go and paste it in the app.js, create the blog section. So I have pasted it here. So here it is missing a closing tag. Just add it. This video will be fast because the main motto of the video is not creating a beautiful UI, but I will just show you how it appears on the page. So like this it is coming. Some basic CSS changes are like reducing the length, having some margins and all, that we will be doing further. So what you can do is create a small class name. I have created create blog form and given the width as 50 rem. Okay, go to this section and give the class name here. Okay, add this and it will have 50 rem. Okay, now what we want is having title instead of email address. So I will just add title here, wherever it is example title I will make. Here also it is title, here also it is title. Okay, this is not needed, this section we don't need, so I will remove. I will do a copy paste of this section for the subtitle part. Okay, so I will make it as subtitle here, then again here as subtitle and type also as subtitle. Okay, and the main section will also be having. Just save it. What is giving the error? Div is missing. Okay. Okay. Div is there. So once I save it, you see title and subtitle came up here. Now what I will do, instead of the password section, I need the body area. So I will just name it as body. From this one I will make it as, or do one thing is, instead of having all of these, I will just copy paste again this section and paste it over the password area to have the body of the blog. Okay, and rename everything as body. Body here, it is here also body. I want to use, instead of text input, I want to use text area. Okay, and type, if you want you can remove the type also. Okay, so just save it. How it appears? Yeah, we have got a text area here. Text area is something like this, you can do up and down. Okay, the name I forgot to change, it will be body. Okay, and we don't need the checkbox, so I will remove this section. Okay, submit button will be create blog. Okay, and let's see. Okay, our basic form is ready to create the blog. Let me add a title heading here for this one. H2 will be enough. Okay, create blog. Okay, it is looking okay. Just okay. Now what we think need is, I need something as name in all the fields. Okay, so name is equal to, I will give as title. Here also in the input area also name is equal to subtitle, I will give. Okay, and body also I will give name field to body. Okay, so basic layout is ready. Now we can start creating